Welcome to the Funeral Program site, where families come for trusted guidance, meaningful designs, and beautifully crafted memorial products during one of life's most difficult moments. The Funeral Program site understands why many families consider creating a funeral program themselves. DIY options can feel more affordable and personal, but during a time of grief, they can also bring unexpected challenges. One of the first obstacles families encounter is simply getting started. Download issues, software compatibility problems, especially with the different versions of Microsoft Word or unclear file formats, can delay progress at a time when schedules are already tight. Some templates require specific programs or updates installed on their computer, and troubleshooting these issues can add frustration when time is limited. Technical and design limitations are another common concern. Most home printers can't print edge to edge, often leaving an unwanted white border around the program. Settings like shrink to fit can throw off alignment, causing text, photos, or fold lines to shift. Free templates may be limited in layout and quality, and if something goes wrong, there's usually no technical support to help resolve it. Time and effort also add up quickly. Beyond designing the program, families must manage printing, trimming, and folding, sometimes for dozens or even hundreds of copies. Families are already making many decisions within the first 48 hours after a loss, and adding document design to that workload can lead to decision fatigue. Careful proofreading is essential, because errors in names or dates on a printed keepsake can be deeply upsetting. Quality is another risk. Standard home paper can feel flimsy and may allow text to show through from the other side. Photos, especially older or scanned images, can appear blurry or pixelated without proper resolution and professional printing. Managing all of these details while grieving can add emotional strain at a time when families need space to mourn. Finally, there are hidden costs. Ink cartridges, specialty paper, and reprints due to mistakes can quickly add up. In many cases, families spend more time, energy, and money than they originally expected. DIY funeral programs can work for some families, but it's important to understand the full picture before downloading one from a resource online. Choosing the right approach is about balancing personalization, quality, time, and emotional well-being, so families can focus on remembering their loved one, not managing avoidable stress. At the Funeral Program site, we make it easier to honor a loved one with care and intention. From DIY funeral program templates, professionally printed memorials to digital funeral programs, everything we offer is created to help you complete a funeral program based on your current needs, time frame, and budget. Whether you need something immediately or want help designing a lasting tribute, our collections are thoughtfully curated to meet families where they are, emotionally and practically. The Funeral Program site is here to support you every step of the way as you create a tribute that truly reflects the life being honored. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.